What's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to show you all how to install vents for your HVAC system. So anyway, first thing you want to do is shut off your HVAC system. You know, it could stir up a little bit of drywall dust. You know, we don't want to get filters clogged and all that kind of fun stuff. So they usually come in a package that's wrapped like this. Then you take the wrapping off. And then it usually has a couple screws with it. They kind of hid these inside of the vent here. So what I want to do is open the vent up, and then just pull these out. Come in a little package like that. They're pretty long screws. These are Phillips head screws. Pretty simple, guys. Get you a Phillips head bit, put in your drill, or Phillips head screwdriver if you really want to go that route. Simply put your vent in your access hole. Usually there's a stud, you know, around in here and over here. So what we want to do is put these screws in those studs. If you don't have a stud there, good luck. That's the only thing I can tell you. Maybe get you, the thing I could tell you, I guess, you know, if you don't have a stud back there for whatever reason, take and drill you a hole, and you'll have to enlarge the hole that's in this. Actually, no, you will not have to enlarge this hole that's inside the vent, but what you'll want to do, drill about a 1/2 inch hole in your drywall, and then get you a drywall anchor, and then stick up in that hole, and you'll want to basically put your screw through here first, put your drywall anchor on that screw, close your drywall anchor, put it up through the hole, let it release, and then you'll want to pull the screw down and tighten it, because those things don't tighten if, you know, you're just sitting there spinning them. You have to put pressure on them. So without further ado, guys, we're going to go ahead and put this vent up. Don't want this video to be too long. That's just a little side note for you, just in case. So I just like to kind of get started with my fingers the best I can there to start with. Because you're going to hold that vent up in there as well. Alright, make sure your drill's turning the right way to get this thing to go in there. Alright, she's on there. There she is. Simple as that. Make sure you open your vent up, which we already did, but just to make sure that it's open to full flow. So yep, that's how you guys install a vent. Pretty easy, eh? Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. You know, please rate, comment, subscribe. I mean, not that was all that difficult, but you know, stay tuned for more videos as always. Thanks, guys.